Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, hello students of Masa Sumba. Welcome back to online English lesson for grade 8 with me Heru Haryadi. In this video, we are going to discuss about instruction or command. Well, this is a review material because some weeks ago I already gave this material, but I think I need to give this material once more to you. Well, before we start the lesson for today, let's say the dua together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabbah wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika shalihin. Alright, in the last meeting we have discussed about ability and willingness. Yeah, this material is also a review material. And now we are going to discuss about instruction and or command. Well, the learning objectives for today or in this lesson are you are able to identify the expressions of giving instruction and the response. And the second one, you are able to make a dialogue related to instruction or command. Well, this material is called as instruction or command, and I will also combine this material with prohibition. Why? Because prohibition is related to the instruction or command. Yeah, it's also have the similarities, but these two materials is quite different. Well, the learning steps for today, the first one is identifying a dialogue, and the second one is classifying the pictures, and the third one identifying the structure, and the last one is doing exercise. Well, this is the first activity for you that is identifying a dialogue. Well, the dialogue is between Bara and his mom. Okay, I will read this dialogue for you. Mom, may I go to the bookstore? Alright, but you must remember the health protocols. What are they, Mom? Wear a face mask. Okay, I will wear a face mask. Then what? Keep physical distancing. Avoid crowds. Alright, Mom, I will keep the distance at least 1.5 meter. Is that all, Mom? No, please wash your hands using soap properly. Okay, Mom, I will do. Well, after I read this dialogue for you, can you identify which sentence that express about instruction or command in this dialogue? Okay, I will find these expressions about instruction or command for you. Okay, this is the first sentence. Wear a face mask. Yeah, this sentence is called as instruction. And the yellow one, okay, I will wear a face mask. Yeah, this sentence is called as the response of the expression of instruction or giving instruction. Yeah, and the black line here, keep physical distancing, avoid crowds. Yeah, these two sentences is called as giving instruction. Okay, and then alright, Mom. Yeah, this expression is called as the response of the instruction. Okay, and next, please wash your hand using soap properly. Yeah, this sentence is also called as giving instruction. And the last one, okay, Mom. Yeah, this is a response. Well, we can make conclusion that the black line here is a sentence or an expression of giving instruction, and the yellow line here is the response of the instruction. Okay, the next activity is classifying the pictures. Here I have some pictures for you, and what you have to do is classify which is this picture is called as command or prohibition. Okay, let's start from the picture number 1. Clean the board. What do you think? This picture is called as command or prohibition. Clean the board. Well, this picture is called as command. Yeah, clean the board. You can see the structure here. Clean the board. And then the second picture, do not enter. What do you think, students? Yeah, this picture is called as prohibition. Yeah, here I have a symbol for you, C for command and P for prohibition. Yeah. Okay, the third picture, sweep the floor. Okay, this picture is called as command. Yeah, this is a command, sweep the floor. And then the next picture, please do not litter. Okay, this picture is called as prohibition, do not litter. Next, don't be late. Okay, this is called as prohibition. And next picture, no sleeping. Yeah, this picture is called as prohibition. Next, be on time. Okay, this called as command, be on time. And then the last one, don't be lazy. Yeah, this picture is called as prohibition. Yeah, later I will explain why this sentence or this picture is called as command, why this picture is called as prohibition. Okay, this is the example of the instruction or command and also prohibition. Well, this example actually always happened in our daily life, so it will make you easier to understand. Yeah, the first example here, put your book away. Open your book. Close your book. Be quiet. Speak English. Stand up. Sit down. Come here. Give me your book. Play computer games. Listen to music. Go to the bathroom. Do your homework. And for the right column here, this is about prohibition, and I'll give you two examples. No smoking. Don't cheat. Okay, this is the explanation for you about the instruction or command. Yeah, this is about the structure. How can we write the instruction? Yeah, this is the pattern for you. Okay, the first pattern, you can write the instruction or command by writing verb 1 plus complement or noun. Yeah, in the form of noun. And then the second way, yeah, you can use be plus non-verb. Okay, I will give you the example of this for each pattern. Okay, the first pattern here, verb 1 plus complement in the form of noun. Clean the whiteboard. And then the second example, sweep the floor. Yeah, you can see here clean and sweep. Yeah, it is a verb 1. And then the complement in the form of noun here, the whiteboard and the floor. Okay, and then the next pattern, the second pattern here, be plus non-verb. The example are, be careful, be on time. So, beside you can use the verb 1 here also you can use be when you want to make an instruction or giving instruction to other people. Be careful, be on time. Okay, this is about prohibition. Yeah, this is some pattern or some structure that you want when you want to prohibit other people. Yeah, the first structure here, you can use don't plus verb 1. And then the second way, you can use word no plus verb ing. And then the third way, you can use don't plus be plus non-verb. Okay, I will give you some example about these three pattern. The first pattern here, don't plus verb 1, the examples are don't enter, don't litter. Okay, so when you use don't here, you have to follow it by verb 1. The verb 1 here, enter and litter. Don't enter, don't litter. So enter and litter here are verb 1. And then the second way, you can use no plus verb ing. No sleeping, no cheating. Yeah. So when you want to make a prohibition sentence by using no, so the form of the verb is verb ing. No sleeping, no cheating. And then the third way, the pattern are don't plus be followed by non-verb. The examples are don't be lazy, don't be late. Yeah, don't forget to put be in the middle of the sentence. Yeah, don't be lazy, don't be late. Next is how to respond the instruction or prohibition from other people. So in this material, you are not only will learn about how to give the instruction or prohibit someone, but also how to respond it. Okay, the left column here, when you agree with the instruction or the prohibition, yeah, you can say okay, alright, sure, no problem. Yeah, it means that when you use or say this expression, yeah, you agree with the instruction. And then the right column here, how to review the instruction or prohibition. The example are I'm afraid I can't, I'm sorry but I can't. Well, I'll give you some example of classroom command. Yeah, it means that this example always happen in the classroom. Yeah, this is a classroom situation. The first example, come into the classroom. Let's get into the classroom. Lead your friends to pray together. Megan, clean the board. Close the door. Don't be noisy. Listen to me carefully. Attention, attention. Answer my question. Follow me. Write the summary on your notebook. I'll give you the result of the test. Stand in a line. In a line, please. Let's have a break. Speak up. Don't be quiet. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Don't hesitate. Don't worry. Don't waste your time. Do practice a lot. Bring me the presents list. Bring me the presents list. I'll give you the test tomorrow. Yeah, this sentence or this expressions is sometimes said by the teacher. Yeah, it's not only said by the teacher, but also sometimes students do it say this expression too when you are talking with your friends. Yeah, for example, close the door. And don't be shy, or let's have a break, yeah, something like that. Well, it's time to practice. Yeah, in this time I will read the dialogue for you after this slide, and then don't forget to do the exercise in the Google Classroom. Well, this is a dialogue for you, so please comprehend this dialogue. Read the dialogue, comprehend the dialogue, and then answer the question in the Google Classroom. Yeah, the question is not only based on this dialogue, but also based on all the explanation that already explained it to you. Okay, I will read this dialogue for you. This dialogue is between Mother and Lucy. Lucy, wash your hand before eating. Yes, Mom. And turn off the tap before you leave the wash basin. Don't let the water overflow. Okay, Mom, but why? Oh, Lucy, don't forget that it is the dry season now. Yes, Mom, I watched them on television. So, you cannot let water flow for nothing. While a lot of people outside are unable to use even a small amount of it. We should help the planet to preserve water for everyone. Yes, Mom, I'll always remember that. Well, students, as I said before, please comprehend this dialogue and also all the explanation that I already delivered to you, and answer the questions in Google Classroom. Well, I think this is the end of this video lesson for today. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to do the assignment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video.